Did you know that in the 1700s, a French botanist named Antoine Parmentier proved that entire communities could survive on tiny plots of land by carefully selecting what they raised? Yet today, many people still believe that profitable livestock farming requires endless pasture, heavy machinery, and massive herds. But what if efficiency, not size, is the real secret? Today we're breaking down the science of small-scale farming and revealing how just 1 acre can become a high-output ecosystem, not through massive animals, but through biological specialists designed for compact, efficient living. Our journey begins at ground level, in the quiet, shaded corners of the garden. Number 1. Snails, the high-density protein factory. Long before modern agriculture introduced massive livestock systems, ancient Mediterranean civilizations had already discovered an efficient space-saving protein source: snails. These slow-moving creatures were once considered a luxury food, served to nobles and royalty. But beyond their taste, snails are biological efficiency machines. Unlike cows or chickens, snails require no grazing land, no expensive feed, and no large shelters. They thrive in compact vertical environments such as stacked crates, shaded boxes, or small enclosures. Because they don't need open fields, a farmer can raise hundreds of snails in a space no larger than a bedroom. Snails also reproduce rapidly. Each one can lay dozens of eggs at a time, turning a small setup into a self-sustaining protein system. With proper moisture, shade, and food, populations grow quickly without heavy labor. Their diet is simple: vegetable scraps, leaves, and calcium sources for shell strength. One of the most surprising products of snail farming is their eggs, often called white caviar. These tiny pearls are among the most expensive animal products in the world, served in high-end restaurants for their delicate flavor and rarity. On a 20 by 20 foot plot, a well-managed snail system can produce hundreds of pounds of meat per year. Even better, snails don't require refrigeration, heavy equipment, or expensive infrastructure. In places where land, money, and resources are limited, snails offer one of the most efficient protein solutions nature has ever created. Number 2. Quail, the fastest producer in poultry. While chickens take several months to mature, quail operate on a biological fast-forward. In just 6 to 8 weeks, quail are already laying eggs. This rapid growth makes them one of the fastest producing birds in the world. Because of their quick development and predictable life cycle, quail were once used in scientific research and even space experiments. Scientists studied them to understand reproduction in controlled environments, but on farms that same speed translates into fast food production and quick returns. Quail don't need large coops or open fields. They thrive in stacked cages, meaning dozens of birds can be raised in the space normally required for just a few chickens. This makes quail perfect for small farms, backyard setups, or urban environments where space is limited. Their eggs may be small, but they are nutrient-dense. Quail eggs are rich in iron, protein, and B vitamins. Many cultures consider them a health food, often used in soups, snacks, and traditional dishes. The birds themselves also provide tender, flavorful meat. With minimal feed, fast reproduction, and efficient housing, quail turn tiny spaces into powerful food systems. They prove that size doesn't matter when biology is working at full speed. Number 3. Muscovy ducks, the pest control specialists. Flies aren't just annoying insects. They carry bacteria, spread disease, and thrive around livestock areas. Long before chemical sprays and traps existed, farmers discovered a natural solution: Muscovy ducks. Unlike most ducks, Muscovies are quiet. They don't quack. Instead, they communicate with soft hissing sounds. They also behave differently from traditional waterfowl. Rather than spending all day in ponds, Muscovy ducks prefer dry land, perching on fences, roofs, and even trees. What truly makes them special is their hunting ability. Muscovies actively search for flies, mosquitoes, beetles, and other pests. They patrol barns, fields, and compost areas, reducing insect populations naturally. This makes them a living sanitation system that works without chemicals. Their meat is another advantage. Unlike the fatty texture of most duck breeds, Muscovy meat is lean, dark, and often compared to beef. It is rich in protein and highly valued in many cuisines. On a one-acre farm, a small group of Muscovies can control pests, provide nutritious meat, and require very little maintenance. They protect livestock health, improve farm hygiene, and turn insects into food, all at the same time. Number 4. Runner ducks. The mobile garden guardians. Runner ducks were originally bred in Southeast Asia to work in rice paddies. Their job was simple: walk through crops, eat pests, and leave the plants untouched. Over generations, they evolved into one of the most efficient garden protectors on Earth. Unlike heavy duck breeds that waddle slowly and crush plants, runner ducks stand upright and move quickly. They glide through garden rows without damaging crops. Their favorite food includes slugs, snails, and insects that normally destroy vegetables. As they move, they also fertilize the soil naturally. Every step improves the garden. No chemicals, no machines, no noise, just biological teamwork. Runner ducks are also productive egg layers. A healthy duck can produce up to 300 eggs per year, providing a steady food supply alongside their pest control work. Instead of fighting nature with sprays and traps, runner ducks work with nature. They protect crops, improve soil, and reward farmers with eggs. In the world of sustainable farming, they are living tools that never run out of energy. Great. Here are the next 2 animals, expanded with the same rich, educational, story-style flow and high retention structure. Number 5. Cotton patch geese. Nature's lawn mowers. Long before herbicides and weed-killing chemicals became common, farmers relied on a much simpler solution: geese. Among the most effective were cotton patch geese, a breed developed specifically for field work. Unlike many birds that peck at crops, cotton patch geese prefer grasses and weeds. This made them perfect for cotton, corn, and vegetable fields, where farmers needed weeds removed without damaging plants. As they moved through the rows, they cleared unwanted growth while leaving crops untouched. Each goose worked like a living lawn mower. A small group could cover large areas, saving farmers hours of manual labor. Even better, the geese fertilized the soil naturally as they grazed, improving crop health over time. It was estimated that 12 geese could replace a human worker in weed control. They required no fuel, no machinery, and no chemicals, just grass and water. On 1 acre of land, cotton patch geese provide weed control, soil fertilization, and meat production all at once. They prove that sometimes the most advanced tools in agriculture are the ones nature already created. Number 6. Guinea fowl. The alarm system. Guinea fowl are not quiet birds. In fact, they are some of the loudest animals on a farm, but that noise serves a powerful purpose. Guinea fowl react instantly to anything unfamiliar. Whether it's a predator, a stranger, or sudden movement, they raise a sharp, piercing alarm call. This makes them natural security systems for farms and homesteads. In small farming setups, a single predator can wipe out chickens, ducks, or rabbits in one night. Guinea fowl provide early warning, giving farmers time to respond before damage is done. They also help control insects, especially ticks, which can spread disease to both animals and humans. As they roam, they reduce pest populations while keeping watch over the land. Guinea fowl don't protect through strength, they protect through awareness. They are the watchtowers of the animal kingdom, turning sound into safety. Number 7. Pigeons. The forgotten protein source. Long before modern chicken farms and industrial poultry systems, people across Europe raised pigeons for food. Stone towers called dovecotes were built specifically to house them, and the reason was simple: pigeons grow fast and require very little space. Young pigeons, known as squab, reach harvest size in under 30 days. This is much faster than most modern poultry. Both parent birds produce a special substance called crop milk, which is packed with nutrients and allows their chicks to grow rapidly. Pigeons don't need large coops or wide fields. A small loft can hold dozens of birds stacked vertically, making them perfect for limited spaces. Their feed is simple, and their care requirements are low. For centuries, pigeon meat was considered a delicacy. It provided high-quality protein in cities where land was scarce and farming was difficult. Yet today, pigeons are mostly ignored as a food source, even though they remain one of the most efficient birds to raise. With minimal space, fast growth, and reliable reproduction, pigeons prove that powerful food systems can exist even in the smallest environments. Number 8. Mini dairy goats. The dairy concentrate. Raising a full-size cow requires large pastures, heavy feed, and substantial labor. On a one-acre farm, this level of resource use is often unrealistic. Mini dairy goats offer a smarter, more efficient solution. They are small, manageable, and incredibly productive, making them perfect for compact spaces. Despite their small stature, these goats produce milk with extremely high butterfat content. This is important because higher butterfat means richer flavor, better cheese yields, and more nutrition per liter. 1 gallon of their milk can produce nearly double the cheese of a standard cow's milk. For small farmers, this translates into high-value dairy products with less effort and land. Mini dairy goats are also exceptionally adaptable. They thrive in a variety of climates and can be raised in confined pastures, pens, or free-range areas. They are natural browsers, which means they prefer shrubs, weeds, and overgrown brush over grass alone. This allows them to clear land that would otherwise be wasted, turning weeds and brush into rich, nutritious milk. Their small size means a farmer can raise multiple goats comfortably on 1 acre. 3 or 4 mini dairy goats can replace a single cow in terms of milk output, but without the heavy feed costs, large space requirements, or labor-intensive care. They are hardy, social, and relatively easy to manage, even for new farmers. For the 1-acre farm, mini dairy goats are more than just livestock. They are compact, efficient, and versatile biological machines. They turn limited space into maximum dairy production, demonstrating that size does not define productivity. Number 9. St. Croix sheep, the parasite fighters. Most sheep breeds require constant medical care to survive in warm, humid environments. Parasites weaken their bodies, reduce growth, and force farmers to rely on chemical treatments. But St. Croix sheep evolved a natural defense. These sheep developed strong immune systems that attack internal parasites before infections spread. Instead of depending on drugs, their bodies do the work naturally. This makes them healthier, more resilient, and easier to manage in dense grazing systems. St. Croix sheep also shed their coats on their own. Unlike wool breeds that need regular shearing, these sheep lose their hair naturally as seasons change. This reduces labor and eliminates the need for special equipment. They thrive in challenging environments, require less medical intervention, and maintain strong productivity. For farmers seeking low-maintenance livestock, St. Croix sheep are a biological solution to a chemical problem. Number 10. Sow sheep. Living archaeology. Sow sheep look like animals from ancient history, because they are. Their appearance closely matches the sheep raised by early human civilizations thousands of years ago. They are small, hardy, and highly fertile. Sow sheep survive on limited food, reproduce quickly, and adapt to harsh conditions. This made them ideal for early farming societies. However, their strength comes with a warning. If left unmanaged, their population grows faster than the available food supply. Overcrowding leads to hunger and environmental damage. Sow sheep remind us that efficiency must be balanced with discipline. Nature can produce abundance, but only smart management keeps it sustainable. Number 11. Small heritage pigs. The gentle grazers. When most people think of pigs, they imagine bulldozers rooting through soil, destroying gardens, and turning pastures into mud pits. On a 1-acre farm, that kind of behavior is disastrous. But not all pigs are the same. Certain heritage breeds, bred for village life and close human management, are gentle grazers that can thrive on small plots without wrecking the land. These small heritage pigs have short, upturned snouts that limit deep rooting, meaning they primarily graze on grass, weeds, and fallen fruit, rather than digging up every inch of the soil. This makes them perfect for pasture-based systems and mixed farms where other livestock are present. Despite their calm nature, these pigs are highly efficient at converting leftover orchard fruit, garden trimmings, and grass clippings into high-quality pork and lard. Their diet is simple, and their digestive systems are adapted to ferment fibrous plant matter in the hindgut, much like a horse. On a small farm, this turns waste into food and fertilizer, creating a sustainable closed-loop system. Heritage pigs are also known for their friendly, manageable personalities. They are easy to handle, social with humans, and compatible with other animals on the farm. Many carry distinctive physical traits, such as fleshy tassels or waddles, which serve as markers of their heritage, but add no management burden. A pair of these pigs on 1 acre can turn your lawn and garden scraps into a steady supply of meat while keeping the land healthy. They prove once again that size isn't the measure of success. Specialized breeds, careful management, and smart planning can transform even small plots into productive, balanced farms. And that wraps up our list of 11 incredible animals that can turn just 1 acre into a powerhouse of productivity. From snails to heritage pigs, each one shows that farming smart beats farming big. If you enjoyed this journey into small-scale farming mastery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Purely Garden for more tips, stories, and strategies to make your garden thrive.